Pallette is an analytical web application which is used to plan, manage and adjust assortment. The application analyzes the efficiency of existing assortment, and basing on this analysis, an assortment manager makes a decision whether it's necessary or not to change it. The process starts with determining customers' demands and building customer decision tree. The tree presents a list of articles, belong to one commodity group and split into consumer switching boxes. Each box contains substitute products, which meets customers' specific demands. Next step is analysis of the main financial KPIs of the formed consumer switching boxes within one commodity group. A manager can see changes in comparison to last 2 years in financial values of the group, such as sales in money and pieces, earnings, pass-through margin, traffic and others. Compare how the commodity group is represented and main competitors with each price quarter. Analyze financial KPIs in terms of a quarter, and a store cluster gets information about sales and margin distribution for a price quarter and a store cluster. Sales by segments of customers' price sensitivity, quantity of sold and available articles, turnover of the group and losses. Basing on the financial information, a manager makes a decision how much the commodity group is needed to be adjusted. Next step is assortment adjustment. A manager gets information about historical financial KPIs of each brand in the commodity group, analyzes historical sales, turnover, margin of each consumer, switching box, its representation among competitors, and gives a recommendation how to change it. The most important step is assigned assortment. Basing on analyzed data, a manager makes a final decision. He sets each article on a particular shelf or decides to exclude it from the box. The assessment is done in terms of a store cluster, and as a result, each store cluster has a particular assortment. Once the new assortment is assigned and distributed among the shelves, next step is to plan a sale of leftovers. The application forecasts the expected date of total sellout of delisted articles, and a manager can make a negotiation plan with suppliers. At the end of the process, the application calculates forecasted financial result of a new assortment for each consumer switching box in terms of a store cluster. Effective work with numerous and varied assortment? Now it's easy with Pallette.